Hi guys, this is Mary from Monkey Wench, Pennsylvania Bigfoot Project. Camping this weekend in Ohio, and I figured I'm gonna give you a short little tour of my camping setup. Now, see my truck bed, literally bed. I've got storage pockets for, different things to put in there. I have another pocket thing to hang up there yet. And then base. This pulls out. I keep my cooking gear in here. I think my wok is a little high, so that was holding up the lid. So, but yeah, this container holds cooking stuff, my silverware, aluminum foil, paper plates, the attachment for my propane cooker. It's just a single burner cooker. Requisite, most important thing, first aid. Some fire starters. This is a lighter. Picked it up at Royal King, and it's it's a hot little flame. My says espresso, but I've got my cappuccino in there, pumpkin spice cappuccino. Yes, gotta have that. This holds a little portable grill that I can set up over any campfire and cook over top of a campfire. This holds more cooking things, coffee, plates, ibuprofen, matches, wipes, and so on. As you see, it goes all the way in. The ladder, it unfolds so I can climb up into the truck, because as you see, truck's kind of high. I can't climb up in there. So it's a handy ladder, and it unfolds. I use the rope to pull it up, and then I use the rope also to close the gate. But that's my setup. It works for me to camp. Very comfortable. As you can see, it's a nice thick mattress. Plus I have one of those egg crate foam toppers on top, nice and soft. All the comforts of home. All right, I just wanted to give you this short little tour. Yeah, we're, like I said, we're in Ohio, camping with a group at a fairly active site. I was here a few times last year. Had activity right here. All right, you guys take care. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment, and happy squatching. God bless. Monkey Wench out.